Remember when Apple released iOS 11 and everyone was excited because we thought we finally had a proper file manager in iOS with a proper file system? Well, turns out it was just iCloud and a pretty good file browser for iCloud, but that's pretty much all it was. There was an On My iPad tab, but it was just little pools of data for apps, like maybe you can access your Word documents from the Word app or something like that. But we didn't have proper local storage. But turns out there is a workaround to enable real, proper local storage in the Files app. You don't have to get an app like Documents by Readle or Readdle. I don't know how you say their name, but it's not like a replacement. It's the actual Files app, and it works just like anything else in the Files app. Just as a demonstration, here's the WWDC press images for iOS 12, and you can do anything you normally would in the Files app. You can see your info or add tags, all that stuff. Everything works. And the way you do this, very simple. You need one thing. It's an app called Local Storage. Don't worry though, you don't actually have to use this app, it just has to be installed. So go ahead and install that and ignore the negative reviews because they're from people who don't understand what this app does. So if you open this app, it's not really going to do anything. It's not going to give you much useful information. It tells you some stuff about your files, and that's about it. You can ignore this app completely. Hide it. You don't need it. It just needs to be installed. What you're going to do then is go to any app that can save anything to files. So I'm going to use Photos as an example. And there's a picture. I'm going to share it and save to files. What you're going to do here is you're going to go to On My iPad and Local Storage. Now this will be empty for you. I already have stuff in here, so there's stuff that shows up. And you're just going to click Add. Now what you did there is basically you've enabled this folder that you can go to On My iPad, Local Storage, and then your folder will show up. If there's nothing in this folder, it's not going to show up here because by default the Files app does not display empty folders. It's not designed to do that. But once you have something in here, what you can do is you can just drag this. You can just drag this over here and put it in your favorites, and then it'll just always show up here, regardless of if it's empty or not. And once you have it in your favorites for easy access, you can just delete that thing that you put in there, and it'll just always be here. And now you have local storage on your iPad or iPhone. It works on anything that runs iOS 11, but it's way more useful on iPad, specifically an iPad Pro. And yeah, that's it. Just as a quick demo to prove that it works the way you would expect it to. Here's just a picture, random picture, and that's not what I wanted. There we go. Files app, local storage. I'm just gonna put this in here. Now you have your picture in the Files app, and you can use it however you want. If you want to open it up in Affinity. Of course there's easier ways to do this in Affinity, but I mean you can drag it in there. Do your editing, whatever you need to do. And yeah, you can save anything that you want now. So hope that helps somebody out. I think that makes the iPad about 10 times better, so hit that like button.